Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Toyota 150 Series Prado GXL, stock reference number 5614. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 1KD 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, aftermarket chrome nudge bar with all fittings and spotlights, left headlight, left fog light, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre, pair of factory side steps with all bolts and brackets, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper bar, factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom, spare wheel cover, tailgate has two small dents, camera type, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, aftermarket Sony touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, mirror type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke, a leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.